Go Green SG was started as a whole-of-government approach, whole-of-Singapore movement involving individuals, families, schools, businesses, community groups and the government.
Sustainability is an everyday effort, so we have to practice sustainability every day and not just once-off.
I learned that simple things from switching off the lights and fans can help to save a lot of energy.
I think the flood retention measures were interesting. I see it in action basically, because maybe not so many areas in Singapore you can see something like that.
It's about our renewal, it's about recycling the things that are in our possession so we can live a more sustainable life.
Realized how textile waste was really a problem in Singapore. That kind of insight allowed us to think about what we can do in our real lives.
Through this guided tour, we hope participants get an understanding of the importance of solar energy in Singapore's energy transition.
I come here today to know about the stream environment. I enjoy holding the stream. When the June holidays are over, I can tell my friends about the fun I had.
Today we've just done a cleanup and picked up loads of trash. By linking up cleaning up activities with some other activities like cycling, we make it a fun activity.
If climate change were to become worse, we will be the one that will suffer. And if we were to go green now, our future will be much brighter.
There is definitely a way that we can all still enjoy our lives and have a happy future if we do our little part.
So if we can do it, you can do it too.
We must act together as individuals, businesses, schools, communities and the government.
I would definitely encourage my friends to save energy so that we can make Singapore a better place for all.